Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at how to set up your Triangle Minecraft server to run a custom mod pack. So to do that, click on Control, and go ahead and stop your server if it's not already offline. Then go over to the Version tab, and click on Custom. Give it a minute to set up, and we'll be back. Now that your server's on Custom, go ahead to the FTP tab, and we're going to make an FTP account. So type in a username you want, and a password, then click Create FTP Account. In a minute, you should have your new FTP account. Now you can see your username, your IP address, and your port number. So we're going to go over to our Downloads folder, or wherever you downloaded your mod pack to, and go ahead and extract it to any folder you'd like. We'll give it a minute to extract, and we'll be back. Now that your files are extracted, go ahead and run the server once to generate the files. You can do this by clicking on serverstart.bat or the .jar file. Now that your files are generated, go ahead and close that window out, because we don't need that anymore, and open up FileZilla. You can see that it has a hostname, username, and password field. So your hostname is your IP address, which can be found from the FTP panel on your account. Then your username is whatever you set it to be, along with your password. The port number is going to be 21 unless your account says otherwise. Go ahead and type those numbers in, and click Quick Connect. You should see all the files from your server generated on the right hand side of the panel. Now, navigate to wherever your server folder is. For me, it's modpack server, and go ahead and select all the files except for the world folder. Drag them over to the right hand side of the panel, which will upload them to your server. In a minute, you'll get a prompt asking you whether you'd like to overwrite the files on your server side. Go ahead and click Always Use this action, then click OK. Now that your files are uploaded, there's one last thing you have to do. Click on your custom server.jar file and rename it to custom.jar. Press enter and you're ready to go. You can start your server from your Triangle control panel and you should be on your custom mod pack.